So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Digital Launchpad. Yeah. So listen, there's a lot of fluff out there, but what you get with Digital Launchpad is a clear-cut path to cutting through the noise and getting what you want. Listen, it is with the, or unless you want to like keep it handheld and record some hand, I'm fine with that. Oh, that's not, yeah, just don't put it back on the tripod. You can do it later. 10 minutes once I get my flow. So listen, it is incredibly easy with the right direction to get into the top 10%. And I'm talking the top 10% when it comes to your income, when it comes to your health, when it comes to your attractiveness, all facets of your life. A little bit of guidance. Getting into the top 10% is relatively easy. Getting into the top 1%, I'm not gonna lie to you. That's a difference. That's something that I can help you with later down the line. For right now, Digital Launchpad, it is your best friend. It is your toolkit to get into the top echelon of life. As I said, there is so much fluff out there, and I'm gonna be very honest with you. I genuinely do empathize with a lot of you as to why you're not where you wanna be on YouTube. Because you go on YouTube and one person is telling you to do this, one person is telling you to do that, one person is telling you that this business model is the best, one person is telling you just need a direct, and you just need one, and all you need is one person to just honestly with you. And that's the cool thing. And specifically for Digital Launchpad, I'm gonna be spending equally, I'm gonna spend just as much time talking about what you shouldn't do as what you should do, because what's happening right now is you're going on